Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in reliable audio hardware and system settings. Plug a wired headset or a low-latency Bluetooth codec. Wired reduces drops. Once done, set your device audio sample rate to 48 kHz and disable power saving to avoid throttling. Make sure you grant microphone permissions to PubG Mobile and close background apps that use the mic or network. These steps reduce jitter and increase headroom for in-game voice processing, so your next changes actually make audible improvements. Now focus on PubG Mobile settings and mic handling to refine clarity. Open the audio menu and set voice chat around 70-85% and mic sensitivity near 50-65% so you avoid clipping while staying loud. Once done, choose team-only voice if you play squads. That eliminates random proximity noise. Make sure your inline mic sits slightly off-axis from your mouth to reduce plosives, and perform a short in-game voice test. Listen for clipping and adjust sensitivity incrementally. Finish by verifying and locking your settings with real testing. You should record a 30 to 60-second in-game clip or make a quick voice call with a teammate. Listen for hiss, latency, and dynamic range. Then enable headset monitoring if available and set the input gain so meters peak around -6 dB, not hitting red. If things go wrong, try the troubleshooting step. Switch to a wired connection, reboot the device, reassign the mic in settings, and if necessary, drop to 44.1 kHz to fix compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.